So your business is growing and you want to do new things and you want to try new stuff, but you don't. And you want to raise your prices, but you don't. Or you want to try this new offering, but you won't. And usually when I hear people say they want to do a thing and they tell me that they can't or they won't, the reason that I get almost every single time is, well, I really want to have a little more experience. I really want to be sure that this happens first, or that this lines up first, or that I get a chance to have enough money, or whatever that thing is. Hi, it's Bill, it's Creative License, and thanks for checking in. My sponsors, of course, Electro Voice, promo only, the greatest music service in the world, and of course, the entertainment experience workshops. But the thing is that if you wait until things are ready, you don't do a thing. If you wait until you have the experience to give a thing a try, you'll never know whether or not you're good enough or ready to be able to try a thing. If you worry and wait until you have the money to be able to think if maybe, oh, I can pay it back, to be able to have the thing that you know you want, you're just not going to have the thing you want. So what are you waiting for? Honestly, the best I've ever done, and whenever I've had success, is because what I call, jumped into the deep end. Everything I've ever learned and learned well and learned quickly is because I jumped into the deep end with hardly any experience at all. Very much like the way my dad taught me to swim. He threw me off the dock, told me to swim back. And when I fell under, he dragged me out, got my breath, threw me back in. And I learned the second time how to get back to the dock. And then I swam more and I got better. And I took training and took classes and I got better and better and better. But it didn't stop me from doing it. You have to do the thing. If you're not going to do the thing, you never do the thing. And you're always waiting until you're good enough to do the thing. So if you want to do it, you will get good enough. But if you never try it, you're never going to know where you are and how to start. What do you think of this? Put your comments below. Tell me what you think. Otherwise, I'll see you next week on Creative License. Bye.